In this video, we're going to go over the top 4 things every new homeowner should do. Congratulations on buying a house. With the excitement and pride comes with new responsibilities. So, I'm going to go through 4 things that every homeowner should consider doing once they've bought. First, save all your important documents. By the time you've closed on your house, you've accumulated a lot of paperwork from the home buying process. Keep diligent records. Keep your lender contact information, your loan officer, your realtor, settlement company, insurance agents, inspectors, phone numbers, everyone that helped you buy the home. Make sure you have their name and phone number. Keep your appraisal report, your survey, inspection reports, final closing documents, insurance documents, and most importantly, you want to make sure you know how to make your first payment before you ever leave the closing table. Consider making copies of all these things, then digitalize them, keep them in a fireproof safe. Also, you can secure them on a computer, password protect them. Okay. Having these files accessible will save you time later down the road when it comes to refinancing and saving money, or when you go to sell. Keeping a detailed list of improvements will lessen your tax burden. Step 2, set up any remaining utilities. Contact a utility company. Uh, like if you did a rent back, you may be setting them all up the day you're moving in, or if you were purchasing and you have to have them set up before settlement. Typically, you're going to want to set up the 5 basic utilities, which is going to be your electric, water and sewer, gas, waste disposal, cable and internet, and then also HOA and any condo association. You want to notify them that you're the new homeowner, so that if you need to get access to a building or access to a specific key, that they know that you're the new homeowner. Update your address to avoid any confusion and inconveniences with your lenders and creditors out there. Make sure you contact the Postal Service. If you need to have them hold your mail for a few days until you're in the new spot, you can do that. Then you go pick it up. Then tell them where your new forwarding address is. They'll typically do this for forwarding the mail for up to 12 months only. Okay. So you want to start this process because it takes a little while to notify everyone of your new address. Go to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Whether you're in state or not, you need to change your driver's license to your new address. It's supposed to technically be done in 30 days, but each state might be different. You can check with your state for their requirements. Change your voter registration. You may have a new polling office when it comes time to voting, and everyone should know where to vote. Um, Also, including the DMV, make sure that you're changing the registrations of your vehicles and notifying your insurance agents. Your insurance may go up or down based upon your new address. Insurance is typically based on zip codes and the traffic within those areas. Online subscriptions and deliveries. If you have anything going to your old address, make sure you change it to the new address. You don't want to chase down those packages that were delivered to the old address. I highly recommend you letting the new buyer of your old house or whoever's at your old address your current contact information, just in case a package gets dropped off. Maybe they can notify you that you can slide by and pick it up. All your financial institutions and credit cards, make sure they have the correct new billing address so that you don't miss any payments. Last but not least in this category is your employer. Make sure that you change your address on your pay stubs and your W-2s. That way, if you go to refinance or do your taxes, has the appropriate address. Number 4, last but not least, inspect and secure your home. Make sure you have an emergency plan on getting out of the house and where a meetup with your loved ones. Locate the water shutoff valve and the main fuse box. Know how to shut off the water and electricity in the case of an emergency. Change the locks. Never know who has a lingering key out there from your previous homeowner or seller. Reset any keypad codes, any other automated codes that the prior seller may have. Locate and test the detectors. I highly recommend you just put in new batteries. That way you know that you've personally changed them. And you should do that at least once a year. And last but not least, make sure that everyone in the family knows that emergency meetup spot, just in case something does occur. And if you can, as a last thing, try to save up 6 months of living expenses for any unexpected emergencies, just in case someone loses a job or you have a major home repair. This is my list of 4 items that every homeowner should do after settlement. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. I would love it if you'd like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And to all the Marines out there, you know what I'm going to say. Simplify. I'll talk to you soon.